Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the page turning transitions to your edits in Capcut. So first, just prepare the clips that you want to edit and just click on the transition box in between the clips. And in here, swipe to the category until you find the slide option. Click on that and just find the page turning transition, this one, to apply to your clips. Now you can just adjust the durations of the transition. I'm going to go with 0.4 seconds. Then I'm going to just click on apply to all. When you're done, just click on a check icon and your video will become like this with the page turning transitions. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on a thanks button below. Thank you.